Hello guys, yeah, my name is Elie, and today we'll be doing the four layers of density. Density is density is a measure of how much a constant value of any material weighs. Okay, so we will be using about four liquids. Okay, first we're gonna start the most, the heaviest liquid is, you know, not yeah. So the first is corn syrup. Okay, that's the one we got. And the next liquid we got is dish soap. You want to use at home. You can find these anywhere. And then water, regular water, nothing added to it. And we're gonna be using some pallets. Squeeze the water out. And then lastly, we have the vegetable oil. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here. Just the one you used to cook with. The same exact one. Okay, it's placing on the side. So we'll roll this stuff on the side. Okay, now for me, I got a plate just cause we're gonna be working with the liquids, so we don't want it to spit all over the place. And I just don't want to clean anything up. Okay, we got a plastic cup. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the heaviest liquid, which is syrup, corn syrup. Okay, and then we're gonna pour it down the bottom. Just every time you pour a liquid, make sure you don't touch the sides. Okay, right direct on the bottom. Just make sure you get like nice so you can see it. That's about enough. Okay, corn syrup. The next is the dish soap. Okay. It goes firm on the bottom too. And I repeat, don't let it touch the sides or you will be waiting for a while for it to get back together. Nice and firm on the top of the syrup. Add some more. Okay. Next is water. We're gonna be using pellets. So we're gonna be using pellets on top of the dish soap. Some more water. Some water on top. Okay. Next is the vegetable oil. Right here. It's already open. Okay. The vegetable oil. Just fill it up nicely. Okay, that's nice. So what does this tell you? The heaviest liquids goes on the bottom, and the lightest liquids, which is oil at the moment, goes on top. Okay. So now we're gonna be, just let it. Now we're gonna use some objects to see if it sinks or if it floats. Okay. We're gonna start with my coin. I don't know where I put it. Okay, they just started with mints, some little mints. Regular candy, mints. And we're gonna see if it sinks or floats. Let me know what you guys think. I think it floats, maybe. Yep, it stays. I can't see where it's at. Hold on, let me put a different color. Green. Wow, look, this one goes all the way to the corn syrup. Right there. And then, now let's try the red one. Yeah, ready to drop. And the red also goes all the way down to the corn syrup. So this proves it sinks. So this means it has higher density than dish soap, water, and oil. The things that has the most dense, this sinks, they goes on the bottom. Okay. Now I gotta, let's see. Let me try a pepper cake. You guys think this is gonna float or sinks? I think it's gonna float. Nope, it sinks too. It goes all the way down to the syrup. Everything we got so far has sank. And now let's try this, see if it sinks. Wow, it floats for the first time. It's on the top of vegetable oil. So this means it's light density. It doesn't have a lot of density in it. Okay. I had a coin earlier. I don't know where I put it. Let's see. Yeah, right here. We got a nickel. I also think this is gonna sink. So let's try it. And it sinks. Hey guys, do you guys remember how we started earlier? How we started with corn syrup, dish soap, water, and then vegetable oil. Now we're gonna try to do weight in the opposite way. So we're gonna start with vegetable oil and water, dish soap, then corn syrup. Okay. We got our vegetable oil on the bottom first. That's about enough so you can see it right there. Then we're gonna go with water. It would take a while, but it would go back together. So let's see. Water. It's about enough water. And if you can see, the water is already going back on the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. See how it switched? It switched. Okay. Then we'll go with dish soap. You see how the dish soap goes right on the bottom? Because it has the higher density than, all right, let's put a little more, than water and vegetable oil. And then we're gonna try the corn syrup. You see how it goes right down on the bottom? Right here. You just switch places because the higher density, it goes all the way on the bottom. Okay, and the lighter density, because remember we started with vegetable oil first on the bottom. Now, like this switching places. So the higher density, which is the corn syrup, went all the way on the bottom. And then water. No, then vegetable oil is all the way on the top. They switch places because corn syrup has higher density. Let's add some more corn syrup. Let's see where it goes. See, it just drops right on the bottom, like all the way down. Okay. And I use a different color. This is how it looked earlier. Exactly like this. And it's almost similar. And if we wait for about 15 minutes, it would look exactly like this cup. Okay. Now let's wait about 15 minutes. Of course, I'm gonna pause the video for you guys, and I'm gonna come back and see, and you will see how it's my phone. You will see how it's comparable to this. Right, exact. Okay. So after about 10 minutes, we're back. Okay. So here are the two. The one we started with corn syrup on the bottom, of course the heaviest. And here the one we start with the vegetable oil on the bottom, the lightest. They all now look similar. Okay, because always the highest density goes on the bottom. Okay? It doesn't matter if we start with oil on the bottom or corn syrup on the bottom. It will switch places, you know, where it needs to be. The reason this is darker is because, you know, the green mint, this green mint right here, it's mixing with the blue, so they change the colors. But they all should be able to look like this with no mints. Okay, we'll show you exactly what we did earlier, just to show you that it all works. We're gonna add some mints, okay, the exact same mint, and we'll see it should be able to sink all in the bottom, just like this one. And it's right down there, right exactly what it needs to be. So that means it works. Doesn't matter whatever you start with, dish soap or water, it will all go in its place. Okay. And that's it for today, guys. The 4 layers of density. Of course, corn syrup, dish soap, then water. It has some color in it, and then some vegetable oil. And then right here, same thing, corn syrup, dish soap, water, and vegetable oil. Thank you very much. Have a great summer.